Today, we're taking a closer look at the top 5 best LG mobile phones that still stand out in 2025. From flagship performance to innovative designs and budget-friendly options, these picks deliver value and style for every type of user. Let's jump right in. We have included links in the description. Number 1. LG Stylo 6 Unlock Smartphone, for 64GB, white, made for US Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, Boost, Cricket, Metro, universal compatibility. The LG Stylo 6 is a feature-rich smartphone designed for users who love creativity, productivity, and versatility. Its large 6.8-inch Full HD plus Full Vision display provides a vivid and expansive viewing experience, perfect for streaming, reading, and multitasking. The minimal bezels and sleek design in white give it a premium feel at an affordable price point. One of its standout features is the built-in stylus. It's perfect for taking quick notes, sketching, annotating documents, or editing photos with precision. The stylus slides neatly into the bottom of the phone, ensuring it's always with you when inspiration strikes. Under the hood, the Stylo 6 is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P35 processor paired with 4GB of RAM. It offers smooth everyday performance for browsing, messaging, social media, and light gaming. The 64GB of internal storage is expandable via microSD, giving you plenty of room for apps, media, and files. The triple rear camera setup includes a 13MP standard lens, a 5MP ultra-wide for capturing more in the frame, and a 5MP depth sensor for portrait shots with professional-looking background blur. The 13MP front camera ensures selfies and video calls look clear and sharp. The 4000 mAh battery delivers all-day usage on a single charge, and the phone supports fast charging via USB-C. Universal compatibility means it works with major US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, Boost, Cricket, and Metro, making it easy to switch networks without hassle. Number 2. LG Wing 5 GT Mobile Unlocked LMF100TM 6.8-inch 8GB plus 256GB Aurora Gray, US warranty, renewed. The LG Wing 5G stands out as one of the most unique smartphones ever made, with its innovative swivel design that reveals a second 3.9-inch OLED display beneath the main 6.8-inch POLED full vision display. This design allows multitasking like never before. For example, you can watch a video on the main screen while browsing the web, texting, or using a map on the smaller screen. The hinge feels solid and smooth, designed for years of flipping without loosening. The main 6.8-inch display is bright and crisp with a 2460 by 1080 resolution, offering vibrant colors and deep contrast for an immersive viewing experience. Combined with the secondary display, it opens up productivity and entertainment possibilities that standard smartphones simply cannot match. The 256GB of internal storage is generous, and you can expand it via microSD if you need more space. The triple camera system on the back includes a 64MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide, and a 12MP ultra-wide big pixel camera designed specifically for gimbal mode. This gimbal mode uses the swivel design to give you stable, cinematic video recording with joystick-like controls. The 32MP pop-up front camera not only delivers sharp selfies but also frees the display from any notches or punch holes. Number 3. LG V60 ThinQ 5G 128GB Android smartphone, classy blue, 128GB, GSM unlocked, renewed. The LG V60 ThinQ 5G blends flagship performance with a clean, sophisticated design. Its large 6.8-inch OLED full vision display offers a crisp 2460 by 1080 resolution with vibrant colors and excellent contrast, making it ideal for media consumption, gaming, and productivity. The classy blue finish gives it an elegant look that stands out without being flashy. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with 8GB of RAM, the V60 handles heavy multitasking, demanding games, and 4K video recording with ease. The 128GB of onboard storage can be expanded via microSD, ensuring you have room for all your apps, photos, and videos. The triple camera system features a 64MP main sensor for detailed shots, a 13MP ultra-wide for expansive landscapes, and a time-of-flight sensor for improved depth accuracy. It supports 8K video recording, which is rare even among high-end smartphones. The 10MP front camera captures sharp selfies and smooth video for calls or streaming. One of the V60's unique features is support for LG's dual-screen accessory, sold separately, which allows you to add a second full-size display for multitasking, gaming controls, or expanded productivity. Connectivity is future-ready with 5G support for faster download and streaming speeds on compatible networks. The 5000 mAh battery offers exceptional endurance, often lasting 2 full days under moderate use, and it supports both fast wired and wireless charging. Number 4. LG Velvet 5G 128GB 6.8-inch display 48MP triple camera LMG 900TM GSM unlocked phone Aurora Gray. The LG Velvet 5G is a stylish smartphone that blends modern aesthetics with powerful hardware. Its slim profile, curved edges, and glossy Aurora Gray finish give it a premium, almost jewel-like appearance. The 6.8-inch POLED display delivers stunning visuals with rich colors and deep contrast, perfect for watching videos, gaming, or browsing. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor with 6GB of RAM, the Velvet balances performance and efficiency. It's responsive for everyday use, from running multiple apps to streaming in high definition, while maintaining good battery life. The 128GB of internal storage is expandable via microSD, offering flexibility for storing large files. The triple rear camera setup features a 48MP main sensor for sharp images, an 8MP ultra-wide for capturing expansive views, and a 5MP depth sensor for beautiful portrait effects. The 16MP front camera ensures selfies are bright and clear. Camera features include AI enhancements and night mode for improved low-light photography. The 4300 mAh battery provides reliable all-day usage, and it supports fast wired charging, wireless charging, and IP68 water and dust resistance, making it durable for daily life. It's GSM unlocked, so it works with major carriers like T-Mobile, AT&T, and others. The LG Velvet is perfect for those who value both design and functionality, offering a premium feel, strong performance, and 5G connectivity at a competitive price. Number 5. LG K92 5G, AT&T Unlocked, LMK920AM 6.7-inch 64MP GSM smartphone Titan Gray not for CDMA. The LG K92 5G offers strong performance and advanced features at an accessible price point. Its 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display provides a large, immersive screen for media, games, and productivity. The Titan Gray finish gives it a sleek, understated look suitable for any style. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695G processor and 6GB of RAM, the K92 delivers smooth performance for daily multitasking, video streaming, and mobile gaming. It comes with 128GB of storage, expandable via microSD, providing plenty of space for your files and media. The quad camera system includes a 64MP main sensor for detailed photos, a 5MP ultra-wide for wide shots, a 2MP macro for close-ups, and a 2MP depth sensor for portrait effects. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera produces clear, vibrant images. Video recording is supported in high definition with AI stabilization for smoother results. With 5G connectivity, the K92 takes advantage of faster network speeds where available, making downloads, streaming, and online gaming more responsive. The 4000 mAh battery comfortably lasts all day, and it supports fast charging via USB-C. Being AT&T Unlocked, it's compatible with GSM carriers, giving flexibility if you choose to switch networks. The LG K92 5G is a great option for users who want a large display, versatile cameras, and next-generation connectivity without paying flagship prices. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best LG mobile phones worth considering today. Each one offers unique features and dependable performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed product reviews. See you in the next video.